welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna turn Harley Quinn Birds of Prey movie posters into the custom t-shirt. And you know, here on my channel I've already created two Joker inspired videos. Two t-shirts I created Joker inspired, so it's just like my duty to honor a Harley Quinn with a custom t-shirt. And I'm gonna use upcoming movie posters as a references because these posters are so colorful, beautiful and so inspiring, and you will see this process, creative process, how I use references to create t-shirt design. So let's get started. And first I'm gonna use this poster because I want to take an image of hyena from it. But hyena on my t-shirt will move to a bit different direction, and also it will have a bit different facial expression, more like this. And yeah, hyena is gonna be the center of the whole composition. So let's paint it. Okay, painting of hyena is finished, I guess. Maybe I will add a couple of details at the end of the process, you know. But for now, I'm gonna use next poster, this one, and from it I want to take, of course, this beautiful colorful background, but I want to make it a bit more abstract, and also I'm gonna paint Harley Quinn's weapon also on the background. So let's continue. art is finished too, and don't know, did you notice or no, but I used watercolor effect technique to create this background. I mixed the paints with water, so now this background is very interesting and it's a bit abstract as I wanted it to be. And by the way guys, from now on I will try to push my boundaries a little bit. I mean, I will try to make, how to say it right, like more artistic designs. You know, I want to add more details, I want to use more techniques in one artwork, for example watercolor effect technique, paint splashes, you know, some brush strokes. I'm gonna use outliners to create some lines, I'm gonna add writings, I'm gonna paint on the sleeve, on the back, I'm gonna add many little beautiful details. So yeah, it will be like more interesting for me as for an artist and as for designer, and it will be more interesting for you as for a viewer. So now I'm gonna use this poster, and don't know, is it Harley Quinn's broken heart or no, because she broke up with Joker, but let's make it hers. I'm gonna paint it here, and also, as I said, I'm gonna add many little details. Yeah, so let's finish this design. posters, one t-shirt. And I think I managed to show Harley Quinn's character in this t-shirt. Like this craziness of her. And what do you think about this style? I will definitely try to use it in my next artworks because I love it. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you are new here, and I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.